This is one more interview question. What is the difference between packages here? And if you see IT department, I have enabled folder packages for IT, but I haven't enabled for HR. So what is the difference between packages to this particular folder and packages in the tenant? Or tenant package access is for everyone. Okay. But if you see here in the IT department, we have enabled in the automations, we have folder packages. So let's go ahead and try to create a process, add a process in the packages. There are already few packages of mine in the tenant. If you can see over here. Okay.
Yes.
If you're going into payroll and if you try to create a process, can you see the process packages? But when you are going into IT, we will not be able to do the same because IT department thought that they don't want the tenant packages, they want their own packages and they don't want to give access for everyone. So that is the reason they have restricted to make sure that only they can access their own packages. Even if their packages are available in the tenant, they will not be able to add it as a process.